Namaskar. Today I'm going to bring your attention to millets, the grains which were cherished by our grandparents. Well, millets are tiny, but they are powerhouses of nutrition and should be regarded as superfoods. They are one of the best sources of energy and are packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. You may perhaps already know that this year, 2023, has been declared by the United Nations as the International Year of Millets on a proposal given by our government of India. This is an indication that we should recognize the value of these forgotten grains and bring them back into our daily lives. Today, I'll give you recipes for preparing 5 Indian millets: ragi, jowar, bajra, buckwheat, and kodo millet. So let's begin. First, ragi porridge. Ragi has a high calcium content and it's excellent choice for better bone health. Here are the ingredients you will need. 3 tablespoons of ragi flour, half cup of milk, half cup of water. You may adjust sweetness according to your taste. And now let's prepare this. In a pan, add ragi flour, pour in water and mix well to combine ragi flour and water. Add milk to the pan and stir until ragi and milk are well mixed. Cook it well to sweeten our porridge. You can either use jaggery or dates. To use jaggery, add it to the pan, mix it thoroughly well till it melts well. If using dates, blend them into a puree and then add it to the pan. Continue stirring till the porridge comes to a level where the consistency is thick. And here our nutritious ragi porridge is ready. Second, bajra khichdi. Bajra has lots of fiber which aids in our digestion, while it has magnesium content which supports the heart health. For a khichdi, you will need 1/4 cup of bajra soaked for 8 hours, 1/4 cup of yellow moong dal, 1 small tomato chopped, 1/4 cup of chopped carrots, 1/8 cup of green pea, 1 teaspoon of ghee, half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seed, little salt, turmeric powder, isafoetida or hing. Let's make the bajra khichdi. In the pressure cooker, combine soaked bajra, moong dal, chopped tomato and carrots, green peas, a pinch of salt and water. Close the lid of pressure cooker and cook it for 4 whistles on medium heat. While the khichdi is getting cooked, let's prepare the tempering. So here in a small pan, heat the ghee, add jeera into this pan and let them sizzle. Next, add little asafoetida, a pinch of turmeric powder to the pan. Stir the tempering ingredients together. Now open the pressure cooker once it is cooked. Pour the prepared tempering in the pressure cooker. Give everything a good mix. Allow the khichdi to simmer for a few more minutes, allowing the flavors to come together. Our flavorful bajra khichdi is ready to serve. This wholesome bajra khichdi is very good either in lunch or in dinner. Third, jowar upma. The high fiber in jowar helps digestion and brings fullness. So it is very ideal grain for weight management. Here are the ingredients you will need. 1/4 cup of jowar flour, half teaspoonful of oil, 1/4 teaspoonful of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of urad dal, a pinch of hing, 3 to 4 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of rava or semolina, boiled green peas, 1/4 cup of chopped and boiled carrots, 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes, salt to taste, a few coriander leaves. And now let's begin to make a jowar upma. Heat oil in a pan, add mustard seeds, urad dal, hing and curry leaves. Saute the ingredients until the mustard seeds start to crackle. Add rava to the pan and saute for 2-3 minutes until it turns golden brown. Now add jowar flour into this pan and saute for another 2 minutes. This will enhance the flavor of the flour. Add the chopped tomatoes, boiled carrots and boiled green peas to the pan. Season with salt to taste and then sprinkle few coriander leaves on the top. Mix all the ingredients well. Add little water for your own desired consistency. Cook the mixture on medium heat until it thickens. The combination of jua flour, vegetables, and aromatic spices, this makes the dish delicious and healthy. Fourth recipe, buckwheat pancake. You will find it interesting to know that buckwheat is not related to wheat and it is gluten free. It is a great source of plant based protein and provides antioxidants, which improves blood circulation and reduces cholesterol level. For the pancake, you will need 1/8 cup of buckwheat or kuttu, 1 tablespoon of curd or yogurt, 1 pinch of ginger paste, coriander leaves, a pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of hing, 1/8 cup of grated bottle gourd, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of oil for greasing. Let's make now buckwheat pancake. Combine buckwheat and curd in a bowl. Add water. Mix it well and let it soak for 1 to 2 hours. After soaking, grind this mixture into a coarse batter. Add ginger paste, turmeric powder, hing, grated bottle gourd or dudi, salt to taste. Mix everything well to form a smooth batter. Heat tawa and grease it with oil. Spread the batter on this greased tawa in a circular motion to make a pancake. Cook this pancake on medium heat until it turns light brown on both the sides. These gluten-free pancakes are packed with flavor and are perfect breakfast or snack option. These pancakes could be eaten with chutney for a delightful taste. Fifth, kodo millet pulao. This kodo millet is rich in iron, magnesium, and calcium, and this really supports bone health, muscle function, and overall good health. Here are some ingredients you will need for pulao. Half cup of kodo millet, 3/4 cup of mixed chopped vegetables like carrots, capsicum, beans, corn, and green peas. Half a teaspoonful of oil, 1 bay leaf, half teaspoon of jeera, few curry leaves, pinch of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 3/4 cup of water, lemon juice, pinch of ginger paste, 1/4 cup of chopped mint leaf, 1 clove, half an inch cinnamon stick, 1 cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seed. Grind all these 4 spices into a powder. Before we begin making the kodo millet pulao, soak this kodo millet in water for 30 minutes. In a pressure cooker, heat the oil, add bay leaf, jeera, and curry leaves to the cooker. Now add the mixed chopped vegetable and saute them for a minute. Drain the soaked kodo millet and put it in a pressure cooker. Add a pinch of turmeric powder, ground spices, salt to taste, and 3/4 cup of water. Mix everything well. Close the lid of a pressure cooker and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Once cooked, open the pressure cooker. Now, garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Give a quick stir. This aromatic and wholesome kodo millet pulao is packed with mixed vegetables and a perfect blend of spices. These 5 millet recipes will introduce you to the different flavors of the grains. While rice and wheat are staple grains in many cultures, a diet based on rice and wheat may lack the range of nutrients that these millets can provide. Use all these recipes which we have given you. Try and make your life more colorful, more beautiful, and more healthy. Namaskar.